Well guys, the Robot Fighters here, and just to give you guys a heads up, this is a little recap of my mini arcade classics. I don't have them in front of me, but I'll just give you a little recap. If you guys don't know what my mini arcade classics are, or if you guys know what mini arcade classics are, Basic Fun actually released these where it comes in static screen and numbered versions. They re-released these in 2024. And they started off with a Pac-Man and a Tetris multicolored screen. The Tetris multicolored screen version was actually at my local Target at Florida, while the Walmart version, which they discontinued now, which is Pac-Man, it was released also in 2024. Now I think Tetris was 2025. And Pac-Man was 2024. I don't know, put it in the comments below. But this is the sound of Frogger. This is not the static screen version. This is an audio file that I made of myself, recording it through a toy boombox. This is what Frogger sounds like. Okay, so that's actually the whole thing. The game plays like Frogger, but it has different sounds. The static screen version actually has the same song, and it's not the original song, but it has different sound quality. But the movement sound is the same as the original version. So, yeah, this is actually an example of my mini arcade classics. Soon I'll be making another video of them. When I put batteries in them. So keep an eye on that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.